Mending Words, Understanding Repair in Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of the English language, the term, mending. It's a word that carries more depth than just fixing a torn pair of jeans. Stay tuned as we explore its various meanings and uses in everyday language. Let's get started. Mending primarily refers to repairing something that is broken or damaged. Imagine a sweater with a hole in it. When you stitch it up, you're mending it. But mending isn't just about physical objects. It can also be about repairing relationships or situations. When you resolve a misunderstanding with a friend, you are mending your relationship. 1. Mending fences. This phrase often comes up in discussions about resolving disputes or fixing relationships. If two friends have an argument and then work to restore their friendship, they are mending fences. 2. On the mend. When someone is on the mend, they are recovering from an illness or injury. It's a way to express that someone is getting better. 3. Mend your ways. This phrase is about changing one's behavior for the better. If someone is told to mend their ways, it means they need to improve their actions or attitudes. The word, mending, is often used in metaphors and idioms to convey more abstract ideas. For example, mending a broken heart doesn't literally mean stitching a heart, but rather healing from emotional pain. Understanding these expressions helps in grasping the deeper nuances of English. Let's see how mending can be used in daily conversations. I'm spending my weekend mending some old clothes. Our team is mending relationships with our clients. He's finally mending his ways after years of trouble. While using mending, remember that it's mostly used for repairing and healing. It's not used for creating something new or dealing with non-repairable damage. For instance, we don't say, mending a cake, or mending a cut tree. That's all about mending. We hope this video has mended any confusion you had about this versatile word. Remember, language learning is like mending. It's about repairing gaps in our knowledge and becoming better communicators. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.